this is my video vlog for today, because I'm trying to do one every day. Today we went out, thanks to Brandon, who set it up, on a taxi boat ride, and sang once in a boat, and just overall grateful. I'm sitting in the boat now because I've had trouble getting on and off, and after I hurt my knee, I figure it's better to just get on and be okay with it now, because it does kind of hurt, and then I'll get all cleaned out and stuff when we get back to our port. But yeah, I'm grateful that I had today and that I have this life to be able to do this, and I'm just trying to be present and open to what all of this is supposed to mean, because it's not apparent yet, and I keep getting upset with myself that I should know what the meaning of all of this was, and I don't. And some things just take a longer, much longer period of time to figure out. We can choose to make our lives wonderful or wallowing in misery, and I every day am grasping at wonderful, even when I have to work at it. Gratitude, even when I have to work at it. Just breathing in, breathing out, and getting to experience new things is more. It's more important than the money. It's more important than the jobs. It's more important than anything. Just that if all I have at that moment is to breathe in, breathe out, and try to understand why these series of random occurrences in one's life can happen and change. And I'm grateful I have good friends that choose me and remind me that I'm worthy, and that I have a friend who sticks me on a boat with another friend, that it's time to live.